Welcome to another new video. So friends, today we have an abandoned Lamborghini which has become very old, which we will convert into a luxury car by the end of the video. So let's start the video. The condition of the car is very bad. First of all, we have to clean the rust in the car. We keep the glass in a box and also take out the remaining part. After opening the car completely, now comes the turn to remove the rust. Do not try this at home. After removing the rust, now comes the turn to paint it. First of all, we have to suck a good color, for which we take out our brand new shot shell. After sucking the color according to the car, now we put the color inside our spraying gadget. Then we start coloring the main parts of the car. You can see that the color is going very well. Then we mix our extreme chemical and apply it on the car so that the shining can come. After coloring the car, the look of the car came something like this. We wash the spare parts thoroughly till the washing of the car is completed. You like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now comes the turn of cleaning the car. After fitting the remaining parts, after installing the spare parts, the look of the car came something like this. Now we clean the parts that have come out of the car. Now we put all the parts in the cleaning box. Now after spraying the sitting area, we put fake hair powder inside it so that the luxury look can be achieved. Now control. After coloring the system, we fit it. After installing the steering, we adjust it in the car. After fitting all the parts, the final look of the car is something like this. Whoever wants this car, comment, and whoever has subscribed to me will get this car for free. So subscribe the channel immediately.